Hi, this is Kim. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about Adobe Photoshop Express. You've probably heard of Photoshop. It's a very powerful editing tool, but most people don't need all the advanced features. Most people just want to crop some pictures, maybe change the brightness, very simple things. Photoshop Express is available for free, and it is a really easy to use program, and it has all the basic tools like crop, rotate, straighten, flip, remove red eye, adjust the contrast, brightness, etc. And you're not paying lots of money for it. Photoshop's amazing, but it's very expensive, so this is a good option for most people. So you want to get it from the Microsoft Store. So you have the little briefcase down here at the bottom. If you don't have that, you can go into your search box and type in Store, and the Microsoft Store will come up. Okay, so you open the store. This is what they're promoting. If you haven't been in here before, you should look around. There's a lot of cool things. Some things are free, some things you have to pay for. So be careful. It's categorized here by productivity, entertainment, gaming, etc. Anyways, let's just type in here. We're going to type in Photoshop. I guess we should probably put Express so we don't have to look at everything. So Photoshop Express, enter, and here it is. So Adobe Photoshop Express. All you do is click on it, and it's free. Tells you a little bit about it. Click on Get. This is one of the times when it prompts you to sign in. You do not have to sign in. If you want to use this on multiple devices and you have a Microsoft account and you want to sign in, go ahead, but I'm going to say no thanks. And here we go. So then now we just click here to install. So it's going to download it first, and then it will install it for us. It doesn't take too long. So now it's installing. Here it gives you a description down here if you want to know what it has. There's some features. It's pretty good. Tells you what you're going to get. So anyways, let's just close this. Okay, so then now there was a launch thing that came up down here on the bottom, but I didn't click it in time. You can go to the notifications, and it's right here. You can click launch. You can also get it from your start menu. Go to Adobe Photoshop Express. There we go. Here's a cute little slideshow thing. It kind of shows you some fun things you can do. Remove haze and fog, remove noise, remove red eye, heal spots. Yeah, so anyways, here is a time when you will need to sign up. So if you don't have an Adobe log ID, you're going to need to sign up for one. If you do have one, go ahead and sign in. Okay, so I clicked on sign in and entered my account information, and now I'm going to choose whether or not I want to turn on two-step verification. I do not. Two-step verification would mean that I would log in, and then it would send me a code to my phone, and then I'd have to enter the code. You might want to do that if you share a computer with a bunch of people, but if it's your own computer, I wouldn't worry about it. Okay, so here, now we're in Adobe Photoshop. So this is where you get started. I'm going to pick a picture from my library. If you have a camera attached, like your webcam or something, you can click to take a picture, but I'm just going to pick a picture. Just go into your pictures folder. Sure, here we go. We've got the White House. Let's be patriotic, right? Okay. So let's see. I'm going to go down the left here and kind of explain what each thing is. And then we'll start playing around. So this top one here is filters. Probably familiar with filters, Instagram and stuff. But so you can click on each one and it'll kind of show you what your picture will look like. So this is the base. You can make it summer, winter, invert it, bueno. Anyways, you could just scroll down once you find one you like. Let's just stick with that one. Okay, so those are the filters. So there's a lot to choose from. You can just scroll down, pick one. Here's black and white. There's a lot, so pick the kind that whatever appeals to you. Here's pop color. I don't know. Anyways, I am going to go back and just pick a basic one. Let's just pick that one. It's fine. Okay, the next one down is your crop tool. To crop means you're going to cut out extra things. You're going to zoom into what's important to you. So let's just get right to the edge of the house. Let's keep some of the fountain. Get rid of some of this tree. Okay, so then when you're done, you can just press. Oh, wait a second. What's over here? Well, this is cool. You can pick the dimensions you want it to be. So like if you're making something specifically for your Facebook profile cover, you pick that and it'll let you make it the correct size. So it'll show up nice. A Facebook ad. It's for your Twitter header. If you want to make it for your Kindle. Nice. So, and then you can have free size. That's what I was on. Well, let's just pretend we're going to make a square. There we go. Okay. So that's that. And then there's, you can rotate, you can flip it. Just keep, if it was crooked, you could straighten it a little bit. So that's kind of useful if you're not a great photographer. Okay, so then here, you can change the exposure. So we click on exposure, then you can use this drag bar to play with it. Here's your contrast. So it shows you what it's going to look like, which is kind of nice. Different colors. This isn't a real great picture for a lot of these things, but here's your tint. Make it more pink. It could be the pink house. There we go. Here's some effects. So you can make it more grainy, less grainy. You can fade, more fade, less fade. So yeah, you can play with these things. There's a lot of choices, and it just depends on what kind of picture you have, really. The Band-Aid. So this is a spot heal. So like if you had a face and there was blemish, you know, you could fix it. Or if there was like a splotch in the sky here. So you change the brush size and then you just kind of click. I don't have, see how it's kind of getting rid of, I don't really want that little thing there. So let's get rid of this one. So anyways, that's kind of, that's a spot heal. This is red eye. Obviously this building doesn't have any eyes, but you pick either people or pets. They work differently, so make sure you pick the appropriate one and you just click on the red spot of the eye and it'll fix it. And this is the borders down here at the bottom. So you can click them and they'll, I'm not sure why they're not showing up. There we go. So there's one. Okay, so anyways, you just play with the different things and see what you like. Here's some frames. There we go. Oh, because I cropped it maybe. Anyways, you just gotta play with it. This is the little magic auto enhance tool. So if you click on that, it automatically enhances it to what it thinks it should look like based on your original picture. Here's undo, here's redo. That's your original, that's what you're edited. So I'm not sure what this is called, but you just go back and forth from the original to the edited version. And here's zoom. You can zoom in, zoom out. And then when you're done, go here, save. You can print, you can share it. These little 3 dots tells you who you are. Lets you get Lightroom for free. Preferences, you can change some preferences. So like your original image size, you know, if you want to set to certain pixels. I have it set at very high quality, but you can lower that. I'm going to turn tracking off. I don't need Adobe tracking what I'm doing. But there we go. So anyways, then you just save it and you're done. You can close it, open a new picture, and start over. It's really fun. It's free, and it'll do everything you really need. And then once you get really great at this and you want to try Photoshop, go ahead and pay for it and try it. But I think this is good enough for most people. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have fun with it, and I'll see you next time.